What are you gonna do?
For what?
I'm filming you. What are you gonna do?
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind, my mind.
Hey guys, we're about to get our bags checked. Post this on YouTube.
Okay, that's nice. Subscribe to me on something that includes an emo band.
Link in the description. So we just got our bags checked and now we're waiting in 404 and yeah. So I would do this, but not at a school where everyone's looking at me for a school trip. But what's up? I'm Sarah. So I'm taking over. I'm trying to talk loud because people at school are judgmental. So we just on the bus and we're about to take off. Over there. And I looked like so bad because I'm literally so tired. I woke up at like 4 in the morning and yeah. And we're about to take a studio tour. We're not bus 4. Don't come with us.
Going.
Just bus 4. Only bus 4.
So yeah, I can't film or take pictures inside of the tour, but yeah.
We're gonna take bus 2 over here.
And then you go second. What are you gonna do? Huh? What are you gonna do? Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you gonna do?
There he is, the man of the hour. My father.
Okay. What are you gonna do? Oh yeah, no. What? Alright, what are you gonna do?
Jesus Christ.
Fucking me? No, you're not allowed to touch it. What does that say? Giraffe. Put your foot on mine. It looks like a weird
Resident Evil. Game Grumps. Daddy Tree. Monster Proms.
I'm so tired.
Like flowers and water. I'd mash flowers and water and like soap and like peach flowers. I didn't wear it out.
Wait, that took me so long to process. I was like, what? What's that color? Okay. Jump. Okay. Why? I have to get dressed. What are you gonna do? My crush is not gonna fuck me today, this week, or any time of day. Shut up about your crush. Now we're in the hotel. Let me just sum you up on stuff that we didn't go, that I didn't say. We went to a Warner Brothers tour, which we weren't allowed to film or anything. What's happening? Shut up, you guys. And like Universal, like outside of Universal Drive or whatever. And yeah, Disneyland is tomorrow, so if you want to see that video, just go on my channel and find it, because I'm sure I will post that one too. Another one? Oh, this is with the day. This is part one. Travel day vlog. Travel day. Yeah. Travel day. Slash Warner Brothers. So slash theater stuff. Okay. There's another one. They tried to put me on the cover on Vogue. My legs were too long. But my legs were too long. Go off. I will kick you in your sleep. My dream. I want you to play with my dream. Guys, your ass is grass and I'm the lawnmower. Gonna be a little bit like less of me filming because I want to have fun at Disneyland and not have to worry about filming things every 5 seconds. Hi, Sarah. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a little bit of outfit of the day. So first of all, I took out my braids from yesterday, if you watched yesterday's vlog. And now my hair's all curly. And my makeup, it's really cute. Oh my god, ew. And then I into the shuttle, and yeah, wanted to give that little update and stuff. So we are at the gates of Disneyland. I think we're going to the compass right now to take pictures. This is Ciara. She's moody, and she won't stop being moody. And she's making me mad. But yeah, that's a little update. Grizzly Peak, boys. This is like literally so pretty.
Shouldn't there be like people riding it?
Literally so pretty over here. So pretty. Right now we are also just waiting for our friend to get here. So we are waiting and taking pictures. So yeah, go follow me on Instagram if you want to see them.
Real difference.
Yeah, can you see a lot on yours?
Thank you.